Did you know that logos don't just look good? They actually make you feel something? That's right. Every color, shape, and font in a logo is designed to trigger a reaction in your brain. Why does McDonald's use red and yellow? Why does Facebook stick to blue? And why do luxury brands love black and gold? It's all about psychology. In this video, we're breaking down the secret language of logos, how they influence emotions, shape brand perception, and help businesses connect with the right audience. Stick around because this knowledge will take your logo design skills to the next level. Let's start with color psychology, because colors are the first thing people notice in a logo. Red. Energy, excitement, and urgency. That's why brands like Coca-Cola, Netflix, and YouTube use it. It grabs attention and drives action. Blue. Trust, security, and professionalism. That's why tech companies like Facebook, LinkedIn, and PayPal love blue. It makes them feel reliable. Yellow. Happiness and optimism. Brands like McDonald's and Snapchat use yellow to feel warm, friendly, and inviting. Green. Nature, health, and growth. Think Starbucks or Animal Planet. Green is perfect for eco-friendly or wellness brands. Black and gold. Luxury, power, and sophistication. That's why brands like Chanel, Lamborghini, and Rolex use these colors to scream premium. So, when designing a logo, ask yourself, what emotions should this brand trigger? The right color makes all the difference. But colors aren't the only thing that affects a logo's psychology. Shapes matter too. Circles and ovals. Community, unity, and trust. Brands like BMW and Target use circles to feel inclusive and friendly. Squares and rectangles. Stability, strength, and professionalism. Think of Microsoft and Adobe. Structured, solid, and dependable. Triangles. Power, direction, and ambition. That's why brands like Tesla and Adidas use triangles. They feel bold and futuristic. Organic shapes. Natural, creative, and fluid. If a brand wants to feel unique and artistic, free-flowing shapes are a great choice. And we can't forget typography. The font you choose plays a huge role in how a logo is perceived. Serif fonts, Times New Roman style, classic, elegant, and trustworthy. Used by luxury brands like Vogue and Tiffany and Company. Sans serif fonts, modern and clean, minimal and approachable. Think Google and Spotify, simple yet bold. Script fonts, handwritten and flowing. Creative and personal. Brands like Coca-Cola and Cadillac use them for a more artistic feel. Bold, heavy fonts, strong and confident. Think Nike and FedEx. These demand attention. As you can see, logos aren't just designs, they're psychology in action. Every color, shape, and font is chosen carefully to create an emotion and shape a brand's identity. So next time you design a logo, ask yourself, what do I want people to feel when they see this? Because a powerful logo isn't just seen, it's felt. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite logo of all time, and why? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.